So Jabra has officially updated its Elite 75T and Elite Active 75T earbuds. So right now you will get um, true ANC on it. You know, they have been talking about this for a while, to be able to give you the ability to get good wireless features on it. This is a really good update. So if you want to block out external sound, you can now get it here with the new ANC mode. But you have to update it through the app first. Once you go into the Jabra app, you'll be able to select the firmware, first update it, put the buds in the case, that's the Jabra case, and it will take around 20 minutes to update. Once it's done, you will get very good noise cancelling that is top tier. You know, this is not a cheap earbud, so they are trying their best to give you the best products that they can, even if they would take their time and update it, and which they have done now, and it's looking quite nice. You understand? The Elite 75T and the 75T has already been on the market for around a year now, so it's not really a recent product. It's been on the market for almost a year now, and a lot of people like it, and they even compare it to the top tier guys, and it's supposed to be that. You understand? It's supposed to be that. You understand? Because it's not too affordable. But you get what I mean. The products are giving you top tier sound and top tier ANC. If you really want something that is a little bit affordable, a little bit quite nice, and gives you very good sound overall. If you don't want to spend that premium flagship money on your Apple, your Sony's, your one mores, this is a very good upgrade. This is a very good upgrade, especially if you don't want to spend a ton of money. And that is the news right now. The update is available. You can update right now and get good ANC on your Jabra earbuds right now. Be sure to follow us on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.